Cooking has always been a vital part of our culture, and understanding its evolution helps us appreciate culinary traditions. Let's explore how these traditional practices were not just about tools, but also about community and shared experiences. Families gathered around the kitchen, preparing meals together, sharing stories, and passing down recipes that often embodied their heritage. In those days, meal preparation was a communal affair, weaving together generations in the process. Women typically led these cooking sessions, teaching younger family members the art of blending flavors and techniques. Recipes were handed down orally, often adapted and personalized over time, which would sometimes even spark friendly debates about which family member made the best version of a beloved dish. As we delve deeper, let's examine a traditional Indian family kitchen, where the aroma of spices fills the air and laughter echoes through the walls. In many households, cooking was a time-honored ritual that began at dawn, with mothers and grandmothers preparing for the day ahead. Fresh ingredients were sourced from local markets, and everything was measured by hand, ensuring that each dish was crafted with love and care. Children were often tasked with simple chores, like peeling vegetables or stirring pots, instilling in them a sense of responsibility and connection to their culinary roots. As the sun rose, casting a warm glow over the kitchen, the sounds of clattering utensils and bubbling pots created a symphony of home life. The aroma of freshly ground spices wafted through the air, blending with the laughter of children, as they eagerly helped their mothers and grandmothers prepare the morning meal. Each step in the process was steeped in tradition, reflecting generations of love and knowledge passed down through the family. Meals not only nourished bodies but also fortified bonds, as stories of the past and dreams of the future merged together around the flame of the chulha. The connection between food and culture runs deep in Indian society, where every meal tells a story of heritage. Imagine sitting with your family, sharing tales of how your grandparents gathered around a chulha, cooking traditional dishes infused with rich memories. The flavors of the past linger. Each ingredient speaks to the land it came from, each recipe echoing the wisdom of those who cooked before us. These experiences are not mere nostalgia, they are the foundation of our culinary identities. Today, as we enjoy modern conveniences, let's hold on to the essence of these traditions, ensuring they remain a part of our celebrations and everyday meals. Knowing where we come from empowers us to blend our past with the present, creating a vibrant culinary future. As we journey through time, it's enlightening to recall how the essence of cooking has remained constant, while methods have adapted to our modern pace of life. Gatherings around the kitchen not only transformed into a blend of old and new, but also symbolized resilience, showcasing how food continued to unite families despite changing technologies. In many households, the rituals of cooking still hold an emotional significance, fostering connections and memories that transcend generations. Traditional practices, whether it's the gentle grinding of spices or the meticulous folding of dough, continue to evoke warmth and familiarity, like a comforting embrace from a beloved elder. Embracing these elements allows us to celebrate both our cultural roots and contemporary innovations, creating a mosaic of flavors that tells our unique story. As we transition to the modern kitchen, it's fascinating to observe how technology has reshaped our cooking habits. While electric mixers whirl and gas stoves ignite with ease, the essence of togetherness remains. Families may no longer gather around a chulha, yet mealtime still holds a special place, blending tradition with modern flavors. Each dish can still become a canvas for storytelling, connecting us to the past while embracing the present, inviting everyone to partake in the culinary journey. In this ever-evolving culinary landscape, let us cherish the beautiful interplay between our cherished traditions and modern innovations, ensuring that the flavors of our heritage continue to be savored and cherished for future generations. Together, we can celebrate our past while forging a delicious future, layered with stories and love.